What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name's Nick and I'm back with another video for you guys. Today we are installing a VRSF catless downpipe on a BMW M235i. Alright, so what we got here is the catless downpipe, straight from VRSF. It's like a stainless steel finish, right?
Looks pretty good.
It's got the VRSF on there, like an exhaust gasket.
Yeah.
Cool. And that's pretty much all we get with it.
Alright guys, so this is M Performance exhaust. It's gonna be Sport Plus, pretty much stock, only has a charge pipe on it, stage 1.
So first things first, we're gonna start by pulling off this engine cover. So we've got these two sensors here. They pop out of a aluminum like tab slash bracket socket, yeah. And then we pop this thing, pry it out, and same thing with this one. Okay. So we're underneath the car now. We're just gonna start off by pulling off these 8mm right here. Take out this under shield. So there's actually 6 8mm that we don't have to mess with because they just hold a bracket up here. So there's no need to unscrew those. Okay, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and take off these 2 8mm right here. Just holds a little bracket. So give us a little bit more space to wiggle that downpipe. There's these 2 bolts right here. Probably honestly the easiest way to do it is to take off these 2 bolts because there's a bracket that holds it on top and on the bottom. They're 2 13mm on 13mm on each side. Next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and pull off this 16mm bolt here. Have at it. That bolt comes out. And take off this clamp here. Flat out, you need to apply some pressure on this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice. Oh, that's good. So we got like the bottom part pretty much.
Yeah. We get this off.
Good to go.
On the side. Okay. Just get those loosened up a little bit. So it is a 13mm here, holding a clamp. We're gonna try and get that out as well.
Alright guys, so we noticed that WD-40 really helps loosen it. So now it's much easier.
It made a lot more sense to use this piece than the other one that we used first. Yeah. So that bolt actually took quite a minute.
Yeah, it took a while.
Apart, so just have some patience.
Yeah.
We're just
perfect. Nice. Oh, see, that was pretty easy, honestly.
Yeah.
Okay, so honestly, at this point, now we have to get the wires from like the sensors, O2 sensors.
There we go. That comes right out. A lot more simple than we expected.
Yeah.
So we're gonna swap these O2 sensors right on here, and we want to make sure we keep the position the same because that does matter. Okay, there you go. You know. Here you go, man. He doesn't want to touch it. I was just trying to finesse you, man.
Alright guys, so sometimes the actual like gasket will stay on there. It's honestly just better to use the OEM one. So.
Yeah, if it's on there already, otherwise it's just gonna crumble.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna have a hard time putting the other one in.
Exactly. Oh, this is so much easier than mine. Alright guys, so make sure that you put like the O2 sensors in a spot where you can grab it from up top. You definitely don't want to leave those hanging down.
Otherwise you're not gonna be able to reach them.
Yeah. So definitely make sure it's in a good spot.
Okay, there you go. Cool, we got this one off.
Right on. Yep. Perfect.
Should we tighten this now?
Yeah, we should tighten it now. At least a little bit. Enough to where there's a little bit of slack so we can move it easily, you know, so it doesn't fall off. Because we just don't want it to fall off, so that's perfect.
Okay, so we gotta get that clip, that C-clip to align with, not exactly a C-clip, but clamp.
The clamp.
Yeah, to get it to align with both of the downpipe and the turbo housing. That's sitting about right.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Whew, okay.
Alright, so this part's pretty difficult, but getting the actual bolt on, we finally got it on. Once you get it on, it's pretty easy. Just make sure it doesn't come off. That's perfect.
Yeah, looks like it's all holding.
Now we just have to tighten it.
Make sure we tighten this piece here. Basically what we gotta do now is get up top there and make sure we can get those sensors in.
Yeah, gotta make sure we plug in the sensors.
Yeah. Basically what we did is we just pushed those sensor plugs out there, and we're just gonna reach them in from here. And this blue one has a blue highlight right here as well, so you just know that this one goes to the, and this one goes there. Okay, so what we're gonna do is install this bracket back in. And then we're just gonna throw the cover back on.
Bro, that's so crazy. Bro, it's so loud. The M Performance exhaust sounds insane on this.
Yes, it sounds so good.
Bro, I think I need to cop one. Bro, that's crazy. Yo, bro, dude, that was crazy. Bro, now that was good. That was insane.
Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. Man, that thing sounds freaking amazing. That VRSF charge pipe, the VRSF downpipe, and the M Performance exhaust is just the perfect way to go for the N55. I mean, honestly, if I get myself something like this, I'm definitely going that way. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it helps you guys out. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.